Hey there, want to keep your tunes playing without interruption? Charging your JBL Flip 6 properly ensures it's always ready for your next big adventure. Let's get started. First, let's find out how to check the battery status. Turn on the speaker and press any button, and then look at the battery indicator scale. The longer the strip of white light, the higher the percentage of charge of your device. Charging with the USB-C cable. Locate the USB-C charging port on your JBL Flip 6. Gently insert the provided USB-C cable firmly into the port. Ensure a snug, stable connection to avoid any charging hiccups. Connect the other end of the USB-C cable to a robust, reliable power adapter. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet. Observe the LED indicators on your speaker. A pulsing light indicates that your speaker is charging effectively. Once the light turns off, your speaker is fully charged and ready to deliver powerful, uninterrupted music. Usually it takes 2.5 hours to fully charge your JBL. Alternative charging options. If you're on the go, you can also connect the USB-C cable to a laptop or a portable power bank. This method is exceptionally convenient if you're outdoors or away from traditional power sources. Ensure the laptop or power bank has sufficient charge itself to effectively pass on power to your speaker. Similar to the wall charging method, watch for the LED light on your speaker to start pulsing, which confirms a successful charging connection. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your JBL Flip 6 in the playlist linked in the description below.